Uh, Good evening, friends, and I hope you had a wonderful uh, monthly expiry. Yesterday, after the closing, I suppose, we clearly mentioned that there might be a gap up opening and then a quick downfall. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty did the same thing. In fact, Bank Nifty gave us a very good profitable trade on the put side. This was the view if holding call. In fact, we were holding a call and we mentioned holding call better to keep SL. Chances market may dip quickly after a gap up opening. And then in the opening, we had some issues with the WhatsApp, so messages were not getting delivered. But we were intending to buy a put and that got double. Post that, we shared a couple of trade granules from 18, it went to 20, but did not move post that. HUL did not trigger. And then we had multiple trades on the put side. 44,800 about to 33. This I think hit 320 plus, and then again we took 43,600 about 290. This also hit I think 300 plus. Uh, all through the day we were trading, on the put side, and this call, in fact, 44,400 from 59 went to 82, and we were mentioning base are strong, better to trail, stop loss in the call side. And in seconds, this particular trade 44,300 from 66 went to 94. Uh, Even I think there was another trade from 310. I think this went to 360 plus. The last trade was the call side 44,400 above 58 went to 100 plus. So let's see how market can behave tomorrow. If you look at the option chain data, uh, of course, I don't really prefer to look at the data, but then many people like to see this. You see a lot of resistance at this is for okay. Look for 7th December. There's a huge put writer at 20,000. That means this can be he's confident that market will not go below 20,000. And let's look at the Bank Nifty 6th December expiry, and there is of course 44,500 huge resistance, uh, and of course there's put writers who's sitting there. These are trades which we'll look at tomorrow. 44,500 above 388, and we'll look at targets of 440 plus. If 44,400 P moves from below, crosses 340, then we will look at targets of 390 to 400 plus. Tomorrow is the Sensex expiry, so we will also be looking at this trade. 67,000 call if moves about 290, then we can expect targets of 370 plus, and if 67,100 put moves about 385, targets of 480 plus can be seen. What am I actually expecting when it comes to Bank Nifty? Let me share my view. I would typically expect market one may try to hit 44,700, or there's another possibility that market can move down, take support, or rather, and then slowly start moving up. So these are two particular scenarios which we are expecting. We will have to see, but most possibly that move can be upwards. Uh, if in case market opens a gap up, what I can see, why am I telling this is because I can see a possibility of a W pattern forming, or even a cup and saucer which can be formed. Not necessarily it has to. What we can also observe is with the type of closing which has happened, most possibly market can open a slightly gap down or rather move down and then take support uh, and then move up. But market could be possibly in a range. Let us see. We will come to know, of course, tomorrow. This is just a view uh, which we are uh, expecting. When it comes to Nifty, it looks a little different pattern. It looks like a M pattern. So there is a lot of difference. If you see our views, we have our channel also WhatsApp where we share. If Bank Nifty is bearish, we share Bank Nifty is bearish. If Nifty is bullish, we say Nifty is bullish. Most times, what we are observing of late, especially market is not very, if Bank Nifty is bearish, the Nifty seems to be bullish. When I mention this, I mean to say with the algo trades, the data, the charts, everything, that then when we say bullish, then we would be mostly looking at big moves or moves towards the long side or entries towards the long side. Whereas it is bearish, we will look at trades on the put side or the short side. So tomorrow's again looks a little indecisive. If at all there is a possibility that it can come down, again this also uh, possibilities of move up. Let us see. Uh, I'm also looking at these stocks tomorrow. Tech Mahindra looks pretty strong. If 1,000 futures 1,231 above, then I might expect targets of 1,240 and 1,230 call above 35. We may expect targets of 40 plus. Kotak also I'm looking on the long side. If 1760 call moves above 38, 45, 50 plus can be seen. Sun TV is also very looks very bullish. If it moves above 682, targets of 690 plus can be seen. Zeal is a very volatile stock. If somebody trades this, if you're able to understand the pulse of the stock, you can make profit on intraday every day. This 260 call, if it moves above 15, then targets of 18, 20 plus can be seen. Um, I'm also looking at observing HDFC Bank. What we can see is that it has given a nice up rally so far. There's a possibility this may retrace back up to 1520 levels, consolidate for some time, and again start moving up. Uh, I am still expecting for our friends to find out which is the next MRF stock or a stock which can, perform like MRF. Let's look at the data of FinNifty as well. Uh, very Here again to 20,200 call writers are strong. I mean, hoping that the market price will not move above this. So a lot of indecisive. If you see, uh, there is FinNifty. Here is FinNifty. Of course, 20,200 might be very tough for price to move up. So if you are expecting us, I'm also having. I would like to know what is the type of uh, what is that you expect from our channel, because we have done some videos. Let me share some videos. These are some videos which I made about swing trading, part one, part two. Once we didn't get too many views, we did not go further for part three, which could be more of strategy. Of course, this I think we were very busy with our office work because project handover and all that, so we were unable to prepare and look at any videos. We also run trainings, mentoring, where we teach how to understand the charts, the patterns, the data, the algo traders, like the way we analyzed, that market can open gap up and then quickly fall. This type of analysis, pre-market analysis, everything we will trade. So good luck for tomorrow. One thing I want you all to understand: India VIX is highly volatile and seems to be on rise. It is nearing 15, and as we were expected, this move. In fact, I had expected it earlier, but seems that it did not move above 13. Now it is almost touched 15. Elections on the way. Uh, Exit polls at 5 states. Telangana, I understand the Congress is might be a leader. This is the view, or okay, 63.9%. BJP has an advantage in MP and Rajasthan, but I think Telangana, they expect Congress. Anyways, whatsoever market is there to make profit, and the big players will position themselves where they can make profit either way, whoever wins. That's also trade safe. What I wanted to mention is market can be highly volatile, can move 300, 500, 600. Like for example, if I'm buying tomorrow, uh, 44,500 CE, uh, this can move 200 points in minutes. It could be very fast, and today we saw that, the movements. So be cautious, take care, be safe, be positive. God bless you all, and help each other and grow. So please do subscribe, share this channel to